This is where I work. 600,000 specimens of mammals in these cabinets. This is where I discover new species. My latest species discovery is an animal called the Olinguito. That's a new name for a new animal. This is a member of the raccoon family. It's actually the smallest member of the raccoon family, and it's found only in rainforests up at high elevations in the Andes Mountains of Colombia and Ecuador. I first realized the Olinguito existed when I was working in a museum collection. In here I have lots of treasures. This is filled with new species, and these are Olinguitos. This is the first new species of carnivore to be discovered in 35 years. When I pulled out a drawer and saw these skins and skulls, it stopped me in my tracks. They were a rich red color, and I opened the boxes, looked at the skulls, and I didn't recognize that anatomy. The teeth, the ear bones, everything was off. It was different than any similar animal I'd ever seen. How did I prove that this was a new species? Well, by careful comparisons. So comparisons of skulls and teeth and fur, but also through studies of DNA. We're here at the genetics lab at the National Zoo, and it's here where we use genetic techniques to absolutely clinch the new species status of the Olinguito. We got our hands on DNA samples from all the animals that are related to the Olinguito, and we used all this information to demonstrate that truly this animal had never been described by scientists, didn't have a name, and we could really, for the first time, introduce it to the scientific community. So having discovered this new species in the museum, I wanted to know, is it still out there? We went down to the cloud forests of Ecuador, and there it was. Carnivores in the raccoon family include raccoons, kinkajous, olingos, ringtails, coatis, like this white-nosed coati, and now the Olinguito. Years ago, this very zoo, the National Zoo, had an Olinguito on display. She died many years ago without anyone knowing what she really was, an undescribed species of mammal. I can't even explain how excited I am about this discovery. More than 3 decades have gone by. Many scientists might have believed that we were already there. We've already discovered every carnivore on these continents. But the Olinguito makes us think again, makes us think differently. Maybe there's even more out there to find. Wild thing.